Hey, so in this video, I'm going to share exactly how to do the numbers when you're real estate wholesaling so you can accurately put a deal together and start making money now. So running the numbers is probably one of the biggest mistakes I see wholesalers make, and unfortunately it's not even just new wholesalers. Most of the time it is, but a lot of times it's wholesalers that have been in the game for a bit, but they just don't run the numbers correctly. So I'm going to make this video super simple. Now there's so many different ways you can run the numbers. I'm sure you probably watched videos before. You've seen everyone has different calculations and different rules and different things they try to do to get the numbers right on the deal. So just to keep it simple, and again, this is just a rule of thumb. Some markets are different. California, for example, a lot of people will pay more money in a hotter market or if there's more traction. But just to keep it simple, know you're getting deal, we're going to go with the 70% rule. So for the 70% rule, for those who don't know, is basically, it's a formula. Basically do some quick math and decide if at a glance if a deal is a deal or not. So the first number you need to find is the ARV. So that's the after repair value. Now to find the after repair value, what you're going to do is you're going to look at the comps. You're going to see houses that sold recently that are in that neighborhood that are extremely similar to the house that you're trying to put an offer on. Now in a perfect world, there's a house directly across the street or next door to it that's the same exact build, was built the same year, that has the same exact size, and 3 bedroom, 2 bath, and they're both 1,500 square feet, and that one just sold a week ago or a couple days ago. And that would be a perfect comp. But most of the time you're not going to find that. So we'll go deeper in another video how to do comps, but in this video we're just going to talk about how to do the math, how to do it quickly, and how to find out if it's a deal or not. When you're doing the math, once you find the ARV, you do your comps, hey, this is ARV, just for easy math, we're going to do, say 100K. So the house is 100K ARV, that's what you can sell it for. And so that's the first number you're going to use in the equation. So you have the ARV, that's 100. After that, you're going to times that by 0.7. So for easy math, 0.7, 70% of 100K, that's 70,000. So that's ideally what a flipper would want to pay, but you also have to calculate repairs. So if you go below, if you click the link below, you're going to get the link to my course, and you're going to get the link to download all the PDFs and cheat sheets and all the scripts and everything that we use in my business. But you're going to see there's a cheat sheet in there how to quickly run rehab comps. Again, just a rule of thumb, it's not perfect. But for easy math, let's just say, hey, the house needs 20K in repairs. So you're going to subtract that. So we're at 70K, we're going to subtract that, now we're at 50K. And then you're going to go ahead and see what your wholesale fee would be in there. So say you want to make 10K, you'd go ahead, you'd subtract another 10K. So we had 70 minus 20 for the rehab, and then for your wholesale fee minus 10. So that'll leave you with 50K in this scenario. So if the house is worth 100K all fixed up, you'd want to get it at 50 to make 10K. And it's really that simple. Again, if you get the cheat sheet, if you get all the PDFs below, you're going to see that calculator. And I'm in the process of actually putting a calculator together on my website so you can quickly and easily run the numbers. Like I said, a lot of people make mistakes, and this isn't perfect. In some markets it's better, in some markets people that had crazy appreciation lately, they want an even better deal than that. A lot of times people, they're fine if it's not exactly the 70%, but just know, that you want to be somewhere in that ballpark to know if it's a deal. Because I get so many deals sent to me, I see so many deals all the time that don't hit those numbers, and it's just frustrating as a buyer, because I am an end buyer and do fix and flips as well. When a wholesaler sends you deals and the numbers are so out of whack, it's not a deal. Like some of the ones I see, they're literally higher than Zillow. Like they're, the numbers like, oh, it's a deal, the house is worth 200. Zillow says it's worth 200, and they're saying, as designed fixed up, they want 220 for it. And it's just really doing that work, taking those extra steps to do the math, do it the right way, so you can make a strong offer. Because the last thing you want to do is get somebody excited that's in a hard spot, that's in a tight situation, and tell them you're going to buy their house, but you can't actually deliver because you didn't do the math. And a lot of times people worry about finding buyers and everything else, which again you need to learn how to do, and you can find out how to do that in some of my other videos. But if it's not a deal, you're not going to be able to find buyers. And if you're not able to find buyers, and you're actually doing the work to find buyers, and you know how to find buyers, it's probably because you didn't do the math right. Long story short, follow the 70% rule, make sure you get a deal. Again, it's a rule of thumb, it's not perfect. I'm sure there'll be people in the comments saying, oh, there's a better way to do it, and that's fine, but this is what works for us. We do quite a bit of deals. We're definitely not the biggest wholesalers in the world, but hopefully one day we will be. But again, it works for us, it's easy, it's simple, and I'm all about KISS, keep it stupidly simple. and you're going to be making deals, you're going to be making strong offers, and you're going to be making more money than you know what to do with. So follow these steps. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you keep crushing it one day at a time.